Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Ahmad Ripani, and in this video I want to talk about analytical exposition text, explanation text, and discussion text. What the definition, the purpose, the generic structure, and the language features. The first one is I want to talk about analytical exposition. Analytical exposition is a text that elaborates the writer's idea about the phenomenon surrounding. Its social function is to persuade the reader that the idea is an important matter and to analyze the topic that the thesis or opinion is correct by developing an argument to support it. The purpose of analytical exposition is to convince the reader that the topic presented was an important topic to be discussed or gain attention by way of providing argument or opinion that support the main idea or topic. The generic structure of analytical exposition is first one is thesis. Thesis is introducing the topic and indicating the writer point of view. Second one is argument, is explaining the argument to support the writer position. The number of argument may vary, but each argument must be supported by evidence and explanation. The last one is reiteration. It's restating the writer point of view to strengthen the thesis. We can use the following phrase to make conclusion in reiteration, like from the fact above, I personally believe in conclusion, like that. And the characteristic of analytical exposition or the language feature of analytical exposition is the first one is they using relational process, using in second is using internal conjunction, third one is using causal conjunction, next is using simple present tense, using compound and complex sentence, and the last one is use words that link argument such as firstly, secondly, and reasoning through causal conjunction such as in addition, furthermore, however, therefore. Okay, next one is I want to explain about explanation text. Explanation text is a text which tell process relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. Explanation text is to say why and how of the forming of phenomena. Is often found in science, geography, and history textbooks. The purpose of explanation text is to tell the process relating to the forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena, and to explain how or why something happened. Or we can say that the explanation text is text type is often used to tell how and why thing or phenomena occur in another. The generic structure of explanation text is first one is general statement. General statement is stating the phenomenon issues which are to be explained. Next is sequence of explanation. Sequence of explanation is stating a series of steps which explain the phenomena. And the language feature of the explanation text is in an explanation text there are linguistic features like using simple present tense, using abstract noun or non-visible noun, using passive voice, using action verb, and containing explanation of the process. Okay, and the last one is discussion text. Discussion is a process of finding common ground between two different views or opinion and discuss text can be defined by discussion text is a text which presents a problematic discourse. This problem will be discussed from different point of view. Discussion is commonly found in philosophical, historic, and social texts. In other words, discussion is a kind of genre or type used to present at least two point of view about an issue. The purpose of discussion text is to present two point of view about issues or problem, and to present argument from different point of view about issue or problem. And the generic structure of discussion text is the first one is issue, is stating the issue which is to be discussed. Next one is argument flow. It's presenting the point in supporting the presented issue, and argument cons or contra. It's presenting other point which is disagree to the supporting point atau pro argument. And the last one is conclusion or recommendation. It's stating the writer's recommendation of the discourse. And the language feature of discussion text is first introducing category or generic participant using thinking verb like feel, hope, believe, and many more. Using contrastive conjunction, using modalities, and using adverbial of manner. And usually it's used simple present tense. Okay, maybe that's all. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.